everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank all of my new subscribers for supporting my channel. And for those of you who just watched this video for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button so that you will be updated on my upcoming video. Now I'm going to give you 6 tips how to handle our finances during and after uncertainty or crisis. The first tip is to make a plan or goal. So in order for us to reach our goal, we really need to learn how to focus on a particular thing. So for example, our goal is to live a simple life. Then basically, we need to learn how to manage or how to budget our expenses by just simply setting a goal to make it happen. Second tip, monitor your expenses. So it's very important also that we have to make a list or a template with regards to our budget so that we can easily track our expenses. Lastly, we need to do it consistently, not only during the times of crisis, but even after uncertainty. Third tip, minimize spending your money. It's just simply a matter of prioritizing our needs over our wants. So for example, we need to cut any subscriptions like watching Netflix and other things. It's very important that we focus on the things that we really need like food, home, and medicine. Fourth tip, save your money. So from the moment you receive your salary, you should learn how to use this method. For example, 60% is for your expenses and then 40% is for your savings. So once you receive your salary, you should make sure that the 40% of your salary will be directly kept in your savings. And for those of you also who build an emergency fund, this is the best time or perfect opportunity for you to take advantage of it. And for those who doesn't have an emergency fund yet, don't worry because it's not yet too late. Okay, you can still start to build an emergency fund after the crisis or even during the crisis. Fifth tip, find another source of income. So this is where passive income comes in. So as of the moment, there are a lot of work from home opportunities that you could search or try, like for example, online businesses. But be careful if it's legitimate or a scam. And for those who already have a passive income before the crisis, like for example, building an apartment for rent, this is also a best time for you to take advantage of it. Sixth tip, make time to pray to God. So as we all know, our God is the greatest provider and He will never abandon or neglect us in times of crisis like this. As an OFW working abroad, I realized that it's really important to really save money and build an emergency fund because we don't know when this crisis will end. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. And I hope to see you again on my upcoming video. God bless.